CQ questions for Class 10 Science, CH1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. 1. Magnesium ribbon is rubbed before burning because it has a coating of A. Basic magnesium oxide. B. Basic magnesium carbonate. C. Basic magnesium sulfide. D. Basic magnesium chloride. 2. Which of the following is a thermal decomposition reaction? A. 2H2O right pointing arrow 2H2 plus O2. B. 2AgCl right pointing arrow 2 Ag plus Cl2. C. H2 grams plus Cl2 grams right pointing arrow 2 HCl G. D. ZnCO3 right pointing arrow ZnO plus CO2. 3. When dilute HCl is added to zinc pieces taken in a test tube. A. No change takes place. B. The color of the solution becomes yellow. C. A pungent smelling gas gets liberated. D. Small bubbles of H2 gas appear on the surface of zinc pieces. 4. Which of the following reactions will not take place? A. Zinc plus QSO4 right pointing arrow ZnSO3 plus Cu. B. 2KBr plus Cl2 right pointing arrow KCl plus bridge 2. C. Zinc plus MgSO4 right pointing arrow ZnSO4 plus Mg. D. Mg plus FeSO4 MgSO4 plus Fe. 5. Some crystals of copper sulfate were dissolved in water. The color of the solution obtained would be A. Green. B. Red. C. Blue. D. Brown. 6. Chemically rustase. A. Hydrated ferrous oxide. B. Hydrated ferric oxide. C. Only ferric oxide. D. None of these. 7. Which of the following involves combination of two elements? A. N2 grams plus 3H2 grams plus 2NH3 grams. B. Cows plus CO2 grams right pointing arrow Caco 3 grams. C. 2SO2 grams plus O2 grams right pointing arrow 2SO3F G. D. NH3 grams plus HCl G NH4CIS. 8. PBS reacts with ozone O3 and forms PbSO4. As per the balanced equation, molecules of ozone required for every one molecule of PbS are A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. 9. Copper displaces which of the following metals from its salt solution? A. ZnSO4. B. FeSO4. C. AgNO3. D. NiSO4. 10. What is observed when a solution of potassium iodide is added to silver nitrate solution? A. No reaction takes place. B. White precipitate of silver iodide is formed. C. Yellow precipitate of AgAl is formed. D. AgAl is soluble in water. 11. Which of the following reactions is not correct? A. Zinc plus QSO4 right pointing arrow ZnSO4 plus Cu. B. 2 Ag plus Cu, NO3, 2 right pointing arrow 2 AgNO3 plus Cu. C. Fe plus QSO4 right pointing arrow FeSO4 plus Cu. D. Mg plus 2 HCl right pointing arrow MgCl2 plus H2. 12. When green colored ferrous sulfate crystals are heated, the color of the crystal changes because A. It is decomposed to ferric oxide. B. It loses water of crystallization. C. It forms SO2. D. It forms SO3. 13. In an electrolytic cell where electrolysis is carried, anode has A. Positive change. B. Negative charge. C. Connected to negative terminal of the battery. D. None of these is correct. 14. Pb plus Cul2 right pointing arrow PbCl2 plus Cu. This reaction is an example of A. Combination. B. Displacement. C. Decomposition. D. Double displacement. 15. A substance which oxidizes itself and reduces other is known as A. Oxidizing agent. B. Reducing agent. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. 16. Which of the following gases can be used for storage? A. Carbon dioxide or oxygen. B. Nitrogen or oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide or helium. D. Helium or nitrogen. 17. Give the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by volume. A. 1, 2. B. 1, 1. C. 2, 1. D. 1, 8. 18. The process of reduction involves A. Addition of oxygen. B. Addition of hydrogen. C. Removal of oxygen. D. Removal of hydrogen. 19. Oxidation is a process which involves A. Addition of oxygen. B. Addition of hydrogen. C. Removal of oxygen. D. Removal of hydrogen. 19. A substance, X, is used in whitewashing and is obtained by heating limestone in the absence of air. Identify X. A. Sal2. B. CaO2. C. Cow. D. Caco3. 20. Which of the following is an endothermic process? A. Dilution of sulfuric acid. B. Sublimation of dry ice. C. Condensation of water vapors. D. Respiration in human beings. 21. Select the oxidizing agent for the following reaction. H2S plus I2 greater than 2Hi plus S. A. I2. B. H2S. C. High. D. S. 22. What type of chemical reactions take place when electricity is passed through water? A. Displacement. B. Combination. C. Decomposition. D. Double displacement. 23. A substance added to food containing fats and oils is called A. Oxidant. B. Rancid. C. Coolant. D. Antioxidant. 24. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is A. 1, 1. B. 2, 1. C. 4, 1. D. 1, 2. 25. Dissolving sugar is an example of A. Physical change. B. Chemical change. C. Redox reaction. D. None of these. 26. The reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide present in aqueous solutions is an example of A. Decomposition reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Double displacement reaction. D. Neutralization reactions. 27. Heat is evolved during A. Endothermic reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Combustion reaction. D. Combination reaction. 28. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and oils in foods marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called A. Antioxidation. B. Reduction. C. Rancidity. D. Corrosion. 29. Assertion. Magnesium ribbon keeps on burning in atmosphere of nitrogen. Reason. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitrides and this reaction is combination reaction. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. A. Both A and R are false. 30. The reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide present in aqueous solutions is an example of A. Decomposition reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Double displacement reaction. D. Neutralization reaction. 31. Assertion. MnO2 plus 4HCl right pointing arrow MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O is redox reaction. Reason. MnO2 oxides HCl to Cl2 and gets reduced to MnCl. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. A. Both A and R are false. 32. Assertion. A lead nitrate on thermal decomposition gives lead oxide, brown-colored nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. Reason. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide to form yellow PPT of lead iodide, and the reaction is double displacement as well as precipitation reaction. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. A. Both A and R are false. 33. Assertion. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas, and it is displacement reaction. Reason. Zinc reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. A. Both A and R are false. 34. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? Tick the correct answer. A. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. B. Chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are produced. C. No reaction takes place. D. Iron salt and water are produced. 35. Which one of the following processes involve chemical reactions? A. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. B. Liquefaction of air. C. Keeping petrol in a china dish in the open. D. Heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature.